Hey, my name is Meg Mutt. I am a real estate broker with Century 21. I wanted to talk to you about seller financing. What does that mean? Are you a seller that owns your property outright? If you are, or if you're going to be even in 30 years, this is something that you should learn about. So seller financing is an opportunity as a seller to be the bank, right? So when we go to purchase a house, okay, the bank really purchases the house and they are the first lien holder. So in this case, let's say you want to sell your property, right? And you want to continue to collect interest depending on what your terms are. So, for instance, we were going to purchase an Airbnb, a property up in Vermont. The seller was offering seller finance, and my mom asked me why would he do that? And it's like, well, he would like to make interest on the money that he loans out. He is being the bank. So what ends up happening is whoever the seller is, they become the first lien holder. Once that lien is satisfied, those terms, then you can either go to a regular bank, get financing. But for instance, this specific lender or the specific seller wanted $100,000 down. He was going to give us a 25 or 30-year mortgage at 5.5%, which was great. Because at the end of the day, if you look at your amortization, I think it's called, I can't say it, but that schedule, which is basically like how much you are paying for the house. So when you go and you purchase a house, there's a document there that shows, okay, I bought my house for $500,000, right? And then over the 30 years that we take the loan out for, we end up finding out that we didn't pay $500,000. We paid close to $1 million because of interest. You end up paying, I think you end up paying more than double the amount of what you've purchased the house for. So, would you like to do that as a seller? Would you like to make back the interest and the payments back? And so what this allows you to do as well as a seller is it allows you to not get hit with capital gains. So capital gains is, when you sell something and there's $250,000. If you make more than $250,000, you're going to get hit with capital gains. You're going to get taxed because that's the only thing we can really count on is taxes and death. But anyway, so this allows you to, let's say for instance, for this seller, he was going to get $100,000 up front, right? And then he was going to continue to make interest every single year along with the payments. Now, if you don't want to do a 30-year loan, because, maybe you're older, this could be something that your family can continue to make money off of. So depending on your financial situation, this is a really great option. Nobody tells you about it because we all think that we have to go to the bank. Obviously, you want a hefty deposit on the property, but with interest rates being so high right now, it could be a great opportunity for you to make some money rather than the banks to make the money, and continue your real estate legacy. So give me a call. My number is 609-598-2232. We can discuss whatever kind of financing issues, or not financing, opportunities that there actually are as a seller. And it's great. I just learned about this and I really want other people to learn about it and use it if it makes sense for them. And I can also connect you with attorneys that can help come up with the terms of the contract for you. So I'll talk soon. Bye.